Hello, everyone. My name is Michelle Worthington, and I'm a children's author. I'm very excited to be part of the Queensland Premier's Reading Challenge. This year, my book, Ruby's Repair Cafe, is one of the books that you can read on the Queensland Premier's Reading Challenge. This book was written right here at my writing desk, and it was inspired by all of the times that I had watched my granddad and my dad and my husband take something that I thought was broken and fix it instead of throwing it away. And stories are a bit like that too. Sometimes we can come up with a story idea and maybe the beginning's not working or we don't know how it's going to end, and it takes a little bit of time to get it right. When I write my stories, I do not get them right the first time. It takes a lot of rewriting and editing and getting other people to read it to make sure it's the very best story that it can be. That's why I'm so excited that Ruby's Repair Cafe is on this year's Queensland Premier's Reading Challenge list, because it's a story about fixing things. It's a story about friendship and community. And it's also a story about never giving up. So when you are doing this year's Queensland Premier's Challenge, I really want you not to give up. I want you to maybe find some books that aren't the usual books that you would read. Maybe you could choose a new author that you've never read before. Maybe you could even try a new genre. Maybe you could try some nonfiction. And don't forget that you're never too old to read picture books. So make sure there might be some picture books on your list. Thank you so much to the Queensland Premier's Reading Challenge for including me again on the 2024 reading list. It really is something that I aspire to, being a Queensland author, and I'm so very proud of all of the other Queensland authors on the list as well. So I wish you a very exciting and challenging and enjoyable challenge this year. Read lots, and I hope that you might find a little treasure of your own that might inspire you to write your own story.